silks, the silks, the finest clothing, the finest style. The style of French classical life in the 17th century was created and shown and displayed and worn in Versailles.
By the end of the 17th century, there was a definite Versailles style in fashion, furniture and entertainment, and it was being copied in courts all over Europe, and often most slavishly in countries that were at war with France. Louis himself was the glass of fashion. In matters of taste, dress, drama, music and dance, it was the king who led the way.